Now to the latest in the case against Casey Anthony, and you heard it here first on News 13. Chief Judge Belvin Perry has ruled Casey Anthony will still face the death penalty. That upholds a previous judge's ruling. For more on what happened in court today, we're joined by News 13's Jacqueline Fell. Jackie, first things first, Casey wasn't there in court today. How come?
Well, Adam, she fell. Apparently, she got tied up in her restraints here at the Orange County Courthouse and fell. She was taken to an undisclosed location for treatment. Now, Brad Conway, her parents' attorney, says that she is expected to be okay, that her injuries are in no way or shape severe. Now, once the judge heard of this, business went on as usual inside the courtroom. The judge ruled that the death penalty is going to stand. The defense wanted to know more about why the state wants to take her life, but the judge said the state answered the motion in just as fine. In fact, the defense really got pretty beat up today. Most motions denied, including motions previously decided by Judge Stan Strickland. Now, in regards to stealing Anthony's jail logs, the defense wants it kept private. Judge Perry is going to wait and expects to rule on that by next week. Now, a big discussion today centered around forensic evidence. The defense wants all notes, labs, communications from the Oak Ridge lab, but the judge denied it. The Oak Ridge lab tested gas in Anthony's car and allegedly says that it shows signs of decomposition. The state attorney's office is calling it new science, but the defense says it's just a science experiment.
And it's not a place for novel science. So that's been our position all along, and we're going to continue to move in that direction.
Now, the judge wants the defense to question those experts and then file another motion if they feel the need. It's likely the defense will fight anything from this lab going into trial. Adam?
You know, Jackie, this is the third time now that Casey Anthony's parents have had to sit in the gallery there and listen about these life or death decisions being made in these court motion hearings. What's their reaction to that? Anything they're going to do moving forward?
Well, it's definitely hard for them, Adam, and particularly Cindy Anthony, who has been in all the hearings. George has just been in a couple. I spoke with their attorney, and he says, as they get closer to trial, it gets harder and harder. This is really becoming real for them as they keep bringing up death is different and things like that. So it's not easy, and actually in the next couple of months, he's really going to be looking at allowing them somehow or way to be able to visit their daughter and hopefully to be able to avoid all the media scrutiny that comes along with any of Casey's jailhouse visits.
Right, that might be a tough sell, though, to Casey's attorney. News 13's Jacqueline Fell reporting from the Orange County Courthouse. Thank you. And our coverage of the case against Casey, of course, doesn't end here. Head to our website, cfnews13.com. There you will find everything you need to know about the very latest in the case. Again, our website, cfnews13.com.